Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I am here to present a amazing concept whose name is Block Ocean. A new era of technology concept from where you can earn a good income. As you know, today technology of blockchain is very famous, and blockchain technology is a decentralized and immutable digital ledger that enables secure and transparent transaction and information storage across a network of computer. It eliminates the need for intermediaries and enhance trust in various industries including finance, supply chain and healthcare. Block Ocean concept, which is developed by smart contract, and it is a 100% decentralized concept where you can see you will join from smart contract concept where you can earn self-executing earning, and here you can see it is a automatic executed concept where you can earn a unlimited income. This concept is based on core blockchain, which is 100% decentralized application secured by Bitcoin. It is built by EVM completable smart contract on a Bitcoin power blockchain. If we will talk about CodeDAO, so CodeDAO has started a community looking for better solution, and that's what it remains with principle grounded in the premises of both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Our power comes for embracing multiple ideas and communities. The opposite of a winner take all mentality core is focused instead on platform growth and driving the global adoption of blockchain technology. If you have not joined the Block Ocean concept yet, then you can join right now from the link in the description below in this video. Join Blockchain Ocean. You can use Token Pocket Web3 wallet. As you know, Core is topmost blockchain and Core is used for gas fee. Core is a top 100 coin as per coin market cap. Here you can see that you get 100% paid income from every single person, and you can generate income up to unlimited layers. As you can see here, this is a contribution plan of 7 slot contribution where you can activate your ID from $50 to $5,000. Here you can see the first slot is from $50, the second slot is from $100, the third slot is from $250, and in this way you can join all the slot worth of $5,000. Next page where we can see buy all 7 slots one by one manually or choose to auto upgrade. For auto upgrade, smart contract will debit 50% from each person in your team until it complete the amount of next slot. Here you can see you will get 4 types of income, from where your first income will be referral income, second income will be unlimited layer income, third income will be global pool income, and fourth income will be royalty income. You can make good money in Block Ocean through these 4 income sources. Block Ocean provide you 100% direct referral income, and you can earn unlimited direct here. Here you can see that as your direct referral on your 4 direct referral, out of the 4 direct, the income of the first and third direct goes to your sponsor, and the rest of the direct will income by you. This is a unlimited layer plan concept where your second and 4 direct referral and their first and third referral will give you 100% income. In next page you can see your second and fourth referral entire team, first and third direct will keep passing to you with 100% income, and that goes to unlimited levels. If we will talk about income potential from slot 1, then here you can see from layer 1 when 2 members will come under you globally, you will receive $100 of income. Like this, slot 1 will we work and in 2 by 2 matrix, from where in second layer when 4 team will come globally, you will get $200, and from here you can see from first level you got $100, and from second level you got total $300. Like this you can earn from third layer $700, from fourth level $1,500, from fifth layer $3,100, and like this you can earn total up to ninth level $51,000, and it will be continue to slot 2 to 6. If you will see income potential for slot 7, so here you can see when 2 members will come under you globally, you will receive $10,000 income. It will also work in 2 by 2 matrix, where in second layer 4 member will come under under you, you will receive $20,000 income. Previous 10,000 and now $20,000. It's equal to $30,000. Like this, from third layer, when 8 members will come under you globally, you will receive total $70,000. From slot 7, you can earn up to $5 lakh. If we will talk about total income from slot till 9 layers, so here you can see from slot 1 you will earn $51,100. From slot 2 you will earn $1,02,200. From slot 3 you will earn $2,55,500. From slot 4 you will earn $5,11,000. From 5 you will earn $10,22,000. From 6 you will earn $25,55,000. And from slot 7 you will earn $51,10,000. If you will add all the amount, so you will earn from here $96,680. If you will add all the slots income, so you will earn here $96,06,800. Here you can see global pool income, where if you will do 4 direct raffle compulsory, then you will only get your global pool income. Smart contract will debit 50% from second and fourth raffle income and give you an auto pool position in global pool. As soon as you complete 4 direct, you get top position in global pool. So you have to complete 4 direct at least, so you can continue your global pool income. Here you can see slot 1 global pool income, where from first layer, when 4 team will under you, you will receive $20 income. And in second layer, when your 16 member come under you, you will receive $320. Means you will receive $340. And in 3x3 matrix, you can receive from first layer $60, from second layer $180, and from third layer $1,620. You will total receive $2,200. Note that you will get 20 into 5, means $100 will be debited from 4 into 2 matrix and first 5 ID from second layer. For 3x3 matrix, it will be continue to global pool 2 to 6. Like this, you can see slot 7 global pool income, where you will earn from first layer, when 4 teams under come will you, then you will receive $500 each, means $2,000. And in second layer, when 16 member will under you, you will receive total $32,000. And in by 3x3 matrix, from first layer, when 3 members will come under you, you will receive $6,000. And when 9 members will come, you will receive $18,000. And from when 27 members will come, you will receive $1,62,000. You can see here $10,000 will be debited from 4x2 matrix, first 5 IDs from second layer for 3x3 matrix. If we will talk about total global pool income, so here you can see 4x2 matrix income from first slot, you will receive $340. From 3x3 matrix, you will receive $1,860. Means you will receive total $2,200 income. From slot 2, 4x2 matrix, you will receive $680, and 3x3 matrix, you will receive $3,720. It will be continue, and you will receive total $4,13,600 income. If we will talk about rank, so here you can see 10% contribution will be from B1 pool from global deposit and distributed to B1 qualifier. From this criteria is self 4 slot, direct team will be 4 direct, total team mandatory is 2,200, and total volume will be $20,000. From first strong leg you have to contribute $5,000, from second strong leg $5,000, and like this from third and fourth $5,000. Note, business volume will be counted from the first 3 slots. Like this, you can see royalty benefit B2, from where 10% contribution toward B2 pool from the global deposit and distributed to B2 qualifiers. Criteria will be you have to upgrade it at least 5 slots, and from B1 required from the first 4 business team. Here you can see royalty benefit of B3, where 10% contribution toward B3 pool from global deposit and distributed to the B3 qualifier. Here it will be criteria of you self have to upgrade it at least 6 slot, and 4 B2 required from first 4 business team. And here you can see royalty benefit of B4, where 10% contribution toward B4 pool from global deposit and distributed to the B4 qualifier. It will be criteria you have to must upgrade it self 7 slot, and from B3 required from first 4 business teams. And here our presentation of Block Ocean plan ends. I hope you all have understood it in a better way. If you have not joined the concept of Block Ocean, then you can join from the link below. We will meet again in a new video. Thank you.